In today's fast-paced world, where portability and power are the cornerstones of modern computing, the Mac Mini M4 is a game-changer. But what if we could reimagine this compact desktop to serve as a true portable workstation? Today, we're exploring how to transform the Mac Mini M4 into an ultra-mobile, high-performance powerhouse. Let's dive into how this redefined setup combines sleek design with unparalleled functionality, all while maintaining the portability you need for life on the go. When the Mac Mini M4 was introduced, it immediately sparked the question, can we build the ultimate on-the-go computing setup with it? The combination of its small size and powerful capabilities makes the Mac Mini a natural candidate for mobile computing, but I wanted to take it a step further. Rather than just connecting it to a traditional setup with a monitor and keyboard, I envisioned a sleek, high-functioning portable workstation that would not only perform but also impress in terms of design and mobility. One of the standout features of the Mac Mini M4 is its ultra-compact design. The small footprint means it doesn't take up much space on a desk, and more importantly, it's incredibly easy to transport. Whether you're hopping between coffee shops, co-working spaces, or traveling for work, the Mac Mini's size and power allow it to easily serve as your primary computing device without the bulk of traditional laptops or desktop setups. But portability isn't just about size. It's about maintaining performance while you're on the move. Choosing the right keyboard for this reimagined setup was a critical decision. A standard, bulky keyboard wouldn't cut it. After evaluating various options, I landed on the Apple Magic Keyboard as the ideal choice. Its sleek, slim profile aligns with the minimalist aesthetic of Apple devices, and its lightweight design makes it perfect for travel. With its comfortable key travel and solid typing experience, it ensures productivity on the go. Plus, the Touch ID feature in some models adds an extra layer of security, making it a practical choice for professionals. In addition to being functional, the Magic Keyboard is remarkably portable. While it doesn't add much weight to the overall setup, it ensures that the experience remains comfortable and efficient, whether you're typing away at your desk or on a makeshift workstation at a cafe. Next up in the journey to create the ultimate portable Mac Mini setup was the monitor. It was important not just to